What's up, everybody? It's Dave's RC here, and we have here this DIY slow stick that I made out of foam board. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the made in flight and the motor and what type of stuff I used for it. So this is made out of this some normal foam board, and so I have the wings and fuselage, and it has a 1,000 kilowatt motor on there and a 10 inch prop. Has a 30 amp ESC and has two 9-gram servos in the back to run the elevators and the rudder. This plane is only a 3-channel. There's no ailerons or nothing. A little battery hatch there to put the battery in there. I'm just using a normal basic 6-channel fly style receiver, and I have using my fly style controller with that. So here's the made in flight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super happy how it turned out, and I had a little trouble landing it, and it's not that stable in the air, but I still had to do a bit of adjustments on it, but otherwise it's really fun to fly. And as you didn't see in the video, some birds got in on the Atson. They're just tame and looking for food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, just hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.